everyone. Welcome to Love Your Art with Anita White. Glad to have you join us today. On our program viewing today, we have a Diptych black and gray split, 10 by 20. And I've already gone ahead and laid down the Artist Loft black along with the Artist Loft gray. Both have been mixed with Acrylic Flow. The Acrylic Flow paints have been mixed with Floetrol and water. I'm going to be using several colors today to assist in the design, and those all will be mixed with Floetrol and water as well. I will list all of the colors in the description below. I will also announce them as I'm putting them on the canvas so that you can hear what they are, but they'll be listed in case you miss them. I'm going to get started by going ahead and using the torch to torch any of the air bubbles. I have laid this down in advance just to save some time. But like I said, each one of these colors, the black is the Artist Loft Acrylic Flow Black mixed with Floetrol and water. The gray is Artist Loft Gray. It too is mixed with Floetrol and water. To see the way I mix my paints, please make a comment below and I'll be happy to share that information with you on another video. Today we're going to get started with using black. This is also Artist Loft Black Acrylic Flow paint mixed with Floetrol and water, the very same thing we have on the base. I'm just going to take it and begin my line across here of colors. On top of that, I will be using Liquitex Basics Rose Pink. On top of that, we'll have Liquitex Basics Parchment. Then we have the DecoArt 24 karat gold metallic, or metallic gold. I love this color, it's absolutely beautiful. Gives everything a nice shine. Then we'll have Artist Loft Old Gold. And we'll add a little bit more of the black, just to drizzle between, and top it off with the Artist Loft Copper. Then we'll take the torch and torch any air bubbles there. And prior to laying everything out, remember you need to use your leveler to make certain that your canvases are level. It's really important so that your design can stay intact. I did go ahead, level these ahead of time prior to putting the paint down. Now we're going to make efforts to begin to blow a design. Just before I do that, I remembered I wanted to put down a little more gray just to make sure the paint has a little bit more flexibility with its movement. Just caught myself on that, so good catch. And likewise, just a little more black here to give the paint a little more opportunity to flow once it's blown. Okay, should be good to go now. absolutely beautiful. All the cells are amazing. Look at this. Awesome. Oh, I'm loving these colors. They just blend together beautifully. That 24 karat gold really highlights everything. I am just loving the way this has come out. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Well, we want to make sure that we take and go around the outer underneath to keep that design intact. And here, underneath here, and over here. And we'll separate them just a bit so that we can get inside in between and keep this It's real important that you go and gather all of the excess paint and do this a few times until the paint stops moving. As long as it's moving, that means your design is shifting. And you want to make sure your design stays intact as much as possible. I'm moving these back together, but I will come back in a few minutes and take the canvases and split them apart again. Go underneath that. Oh, this is so gorgeous. I can't wait till you can see this as close as I'm seeing it. Let's bring you down for a close-up. Bringing you in on the first canvas, you can see the phenomenal cells that are forming, all the lacing here. Beautiful. Just gorgeous. That 24 karat gold shimmer. You can see it. Awesome. Moving into the second canvas. Look at all that beautiful lacing that's formed here. And this part is what I'm just in love with. Look at that. Moving up to the top, all into the gray. It's beautiful. Those colors have just found themselves in love with each other. What a marriage. A marriage made in heaven. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Again, there's more lacing on the bottom here and cell development here in the sides. Look at the shimmer of that 24 karat gold. I am in love with this. This is so beautiful. The color blends are just a wonderful combination. And I think that it has been amazing pulling this together. Let's see how, with the studio light off, what we might be able to see. Apologize for that glare in there. Here we have them with the lights off. Again, really beautiful 24 karat gold shimmer. Gorgeous lacing. I think it came out absolutely stunning. And I am very pleased. I hope you like it. If you do, please like and click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. If you would like to leave a comment, certainly we welcome your comments and appreciate your feedback. And look forward to another opportunity to share with you some amazing art. If you're interested in this piece or any of the pieces that I create, please email me at anitawhite.loveyourart@gmail.com, and we will go from there. This is amazing. Again, thank you for joining me on this 10 by 20 canvas. Look forward to more exciting opportunities to share with you and to share ways that we can love our art. Until then, continue to love your art.